For YouTube side. Okay. So, let's get a little back. They can barely see us. Should we just lay down? Okay. This is good. Lay down. Lay down. They can barely see your face, Shy.
They can see me. Look, I'm looking at them. I only have my contacts in so I can't really see. So what are we doing?
Okay. What's up, guys? It's me, Genevieve. And I'm back with a girl named Shy. She's my sister. My sister. Can you close the door, sister? Okay. So what are we doing now? I'm gonna teach her how to make not how to make slime. She knows how. I'm gonna teach her different stuff you can do with slime, and I'm gonna show her my slime collection, even though she's already saw it. But I'm gonna show her on video. Can you go through my slime collection, please? It's like right behind me. That's why. There's some slime. These right there. Y'all can't see him. Just see him. Y'all can't see him. But put him somewhere right there. Okay. I don't know if y'all saw my slime collection already. No, that was my last slime collection. I have no. Okay, you just put it in front of them. They can see it now. Get off of your phone. No phone. No phone's allowed. Oh yeah, I did. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Add me on Snap.jenevycantu. There's something in my slime. Okay. So, let's do it today. You want to start with this slime or any of those slimes?
I guess this one.
Okay. So this is a slime that we just made. It's like super fluffy. And it's like, okay, so I'm going to teach you the bubbly crackle. So that's what I call it, but I don't know about you. But if you always wonder how I get my slime so crackly and stuff, so you're just going to stretch it out like this. And you're just going to like put it like this and just make it all go down and then bam. Okay, so that's one thing. We'll move on to the next thing with a different slime. Let's use this one. You want to use this one? Okay. So this is a weird slime here. Let me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just getting it out of place. Okay. So this is this slime. Just take a look in there. Go in there. Go inside the bucket. Why not? Dang, is that a snake? Was that a snake or what? Was that like a rattling snake? It was something. Okay, there. Now they can see. Put the slime back. Put the slime back. Okay, that's it. That's exactly what I'm gonna show you next. I'm gonna show her how to make. Can you put it back, please? I'm kidding. You can play with it if you want, but you can't get distracted. You can play with it, but you can't get distracted. So I'm gonna teach her not the bubbly crackle because I've already teach that. I'm going to teach you how to do a swirl. So, let's do it. Are you paying attention? Yeah, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your slime, and it has to be a slime that can stretch, and you're just going to stretch it out like this. W's. And you're just going to swirl it. Okay, maybe should I swirl it? I don't have anywhere to swirl it, but it should be all crackly like this. Alright. Next slime. Oh, no, don't spill. Don't spill. Those are my homework for the summer. What I haven't done yet. Okay. Which slime do you want next? Yeah. This slime. It was at the very top. So this is a normal purple slime. And I used the last of my purple food coloring. It was gonna be a dark purple. Well, no, I don't think it was, but I put in the shape, like I put the food coloring and then the shaving cream after, which was a really bad idea. I was acting dumb that time, and now it's pastel. So I don't really like pastels. I like the actual colors, but I mean, it's still pretty, right? That's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to poke. So what you're gonna do, because this slime is like a poking slime. So it's like a fluffy slime, but like you can poke it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hand. You're just gonna get at least 4, or get it like this, and then you're just gonna just poke it really. Just put your hand in there like this. In and out. But real fast. That's basically how you poke. Next time, you choose. Of course you would choose that one. I don't know what I'm going to do with this slime because like I can't do anything with it.
Or you can just show it to them.
Okay. Well, no. I think I'm going to like... What should I do with this one? I didn't plan what to do for this video. So, it just came in my hand. I'm like, let's do this, Shy. So, yeah, What should I do with it? Well, I could do anything like with that slime and this slime. Can you put it back, please? They can't see it. They still can't see it, like the camera. Okay. So, should we like? What should we do with this slime? I really don't know. Should I help?
I don't know.
Because there's not too much things to do with slime. There is one thing that I could do. I could put shaving cream in it. Okay, when I snap, the video, like when I snap, like this, the shaving cream just appears. Okay, one. Ready? Oh look, it looks like I could just squish it. Squish. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It didn't work, so let's try it one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Well, I got this instead. My lips are chapped. Can I have some lip balm, please? Got it. Let me put some real quick. What? I need to take care of my lips. My lips are always chapped, so I'm thankful that the camera gave me this. Thank you, camera. So I guess we're gonna add this into here because I don't have anything else to do with my life. So it's probably gonna end up like super light, but like I got this from my dad's restroom, so sorry, Daddy, but it feels so weird. Like I don't mind doing it with other slimes, but this slime is like a different slime. It's not even a slime. Ew, look at that. What even is this? No, my hands. Like this doesn't, like I'm not even over exaggerating, guys. If y'all felt this, y'all would just like die. Ew. Should I throw this slime away?
Looks nasty.
Can you do a favor for me?
Sure.
Don't throw away the container, but can you put the container in like the dishwasher and throw away the slime?
Yeah.
I need a napkin or something. What do I use?
I don't know, like a towel maybe?
I don't have a towel. Try. Oh, here. Okay. It's gonna take you a long time, so I'm gonna snap, and then she's gonna come back. Ready? 1. Okay, hold on. My hands are slippery. 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, she came back, and she gave me this. So I'm gonna put this right there, so I can drink that later. Which slime do you want next? That was how to throw away a slime, so let's redo it, and let's add this in there, because that was how to throw away a slime. So
That's not gonna work.
What?
What if that's why you had to throw away the other slimes, because you had to push it?
That slime was always like that.
Oh.
Always. But you might be right, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. And plus, I need to add a little bit too, because it's my dad's. See, I always do this to every slime, and it never happens to any other slime. It just happens to that. See, it's because like that other slime is like a different slime. I only do this to my slimes, first of all, to get it like soft, and second of all, to get it like it smells really good too. And it just feels good. So it's a double, like it's a win-win. See? Does this one look nasty?
Mm-mm.
I don't know why I do it like that. I wrap it and then I wrap it around my hands. I don't know why. So pick out our next slime.
The last one.
Last one. So I'm gonna teach you how to butter knife this slime, because this is an actual butter slime. So this was like meant for this slime. Okay, did you put the other butter knife inside the sink? Okay, then it should be right there. Oh.
There it is.
Okay. Alright. So I'm just gonna put the lid on there. Wait, that's the wrong slime. I'm gonna get a different container for that slime. Maybe I could use the container that we used the other slime with, the blue slime. We'll figure it out after this video, you know, because this one has been left out. Okay, yeah, see, luckily it wasn't open. That would have been bad. So let's just butter knife it. So what you're gonna do is you need a butter knife and you need a slime that's like buttery, like this. Like it doesn't look buttery, but it actually is super buttery. Right slime? Right slime. I keep on getting slime and shy mixed up. I talk a lot too. Okay, so we're just gonna get it and you can sink it in. Just press it in. She's watching, so she knows. And then you're just gonna kind of like spread it out.
That's so weird.
So that's how you butter knife a slime. Do you want me to do it again?
Yeah.
It's satisfying, isn't it? So we'll do it a bunch of times after this video. Ah! Okay. Just gonna spread it out. Y'all can't see, but like, oh, see the butter knife like marked it. I don't know if it looks like it's butter slime, but it is. La 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 la. Okay, yeah, see. La 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 la. I uploaded a video of me making a live stream, but like I didn't even make a live stream. I think I did. I'm not sure. But that's the end of this video, and because I haven't played with this one like at all. Like she's been using it, and like look at this slime. Like it was flubber, but now it's not even flubber. Like it's goals. That's what it is. That's what it is. Do you think it'll fit? Oh no! Did I just make it orange? Did I make it orange or did you? No, we're never gonna find out. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna do our outro. Okay, get in with me. Hug me. Hug me. Hug me. Love me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see y'all. I don't know, maybe next week. I don't know. Peace though.